Today we're making healthy vegetable curry soup. So first we're going to take 1 tablespoon of olive oil and saute some onions, garlic, and jalapeños. Once they brown, I add a squirt of lemon juice and some sage leaves. We're going to pick those out later on. Then I'm going to add some chopped thyme, chopped dill, and chopped oregano. Then 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and stir that around. Once everything is sauteed nice and brown, we're going to add 2 cups of water, followed by 2 teaspoons of vegetable bouillon. You want to bring the soup broth to a simmer. You're also going to add 1 tablespoon of Indian curry spice, 1 teaspoon of black garlic powder, and stir that around. Once it comes to a simmer, then you can add in a few more ingredients. I like to add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. You can also use tapioca flour to thicken the broth. Then I add in 2/3 cups of coconut milk. I like to use the full fat kind from the can, but you can also use light. Now you can start adding in whatever vegetables you like. I'm gonna add in some chopped carrots, and I'm gonna put the carrots in first because they're gonna take the longest to cook. So I'm gonna let that simmer. And then I'm going to add in my sliced squash. And I'm going to let that simmer. Lastly, I'm adding chopped spinach. And chopped spinach cooks really fast. So I'm going to add that in right before turning the heat off. So stir in the spinach. Let it simmer 30 seconds. And then turn the heat off. And that's that. Full recipe with ingredients and directions will be in the description of this video, as well as a link to my free plant-based recipe book. So don't forget to get that. Thanks for watching.